In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Facebook Pixel on Hostinger Website Builder. This process may sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, we'll take it step by step so you can follow along with ease. Facebook Pixel is a powerful tool that allows you to track the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. It can really help you optimize your advertising strategies and conversions. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Hostinger homepage. Open up your web browser and type in the URL for Hostinger. If you're not already logged in, now would be a great time to do so using your account credentials. Once you're logged in and on the Hostinger homepage, your next step will be to navigate to the Websites tab. You'll usually find this listed in the main menu section of your Hostinger dashboard. Just click on it and it'll bring you to a list of all the websites you currently have set up through Hostinger. Now that you're in the Websites section, you'll want to click on Edit Website next to the website where you want to install your Facebook Pixel. This will open up the Website Builder interface, which is where all the magic happens. It may take a few seconds to load, but once it does, you'll be ready to proceed. Once your Website Builder is open and ready, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the More option. This is usually located somewhere in the top menu of the Builder interface. Click on More and you'll see a list of additional options pop up. Among these additional options, you should see one labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click on Integrations to enter the section where you can add various apps and tools to your site. In the Integrations menu, you'll find a list of different tools you can easily integrate into your website. You're going to want to find the option for Facebook Pixel here. Once you see Facebook Pixel listed, click on it. This action will allow you to start the setup process for your Facebook Pixel on your Hostinger built site. With Facebook Pixel selected, you'll follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. You're typically asked for the Pixel ID, which you should have from your Facebook Ads Manager. Enter it where prompted and ensure that you complete each section carefully to verify proper installation. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Facebook Pixel into your Hostinger website. Remember to double-check that everything is functioning correctly by using the Facebook Pixel Helper tool available as a browser extension. This tool will confirm that your Pixel is working as intended. Thank you for following along and best of luck with optimizing your website and advertising campaigns.